Hi, good morning, Omar sir. My name is Lilram Bandari and I hope you're doing well today. Today I will be presenting my project on the subject of system analysis and design on the health management system for the Healthy Life Clinic. This system aims to improve the clinic's operation by integrating patient records, billing, appointments, and integration registration into a single efficient platform. I would like to thank you, Omar sir, for the opportunity to present this project. I have I have made cover letter and table of content introduction tasks 1 to 6. I will describe step by step of all the taxes, and I have conclusion as well as references. Task description from the introduction. I would like to go from the Healthy Life Clinic is growing and need more efficient way to manage operations. Currently, many taxes are done manually or with separate software system. The solution is in a single health management system to integrate patient records, billings, appointments and registration. In this project, I will present simple diagrams and website design for the system. I will also discuss how to keep patient information secure and ensure ethical practices. From the tax one, design content level diagram, I made a content level diagram. It shows how health management system connect with patient, doctors, staffs, insurance companies and pharmacies. It also shows how the information flows between them, the systems. This is my picture of that design, the context level diagram. In further, we have in tax 2, I created the level 0 data flow diagram. It shows how data moves between user and the health management system. I also added a new user called government or compliance authority. It shows important data stored like patient records and billing records. And this is my level 0 data flow diagram DFD. In further, we have task 3. I made the entity relationship diagram. It shows the main part of the system like patient, doctor, appointment, prescription, billing, insurance, and staff. It also shows their relationship. For example, one patient can have many appointments. Just like I have given billing as well, insurance, staff administration, like a reception. From the relationship, a doctor can have multiple appointment and a patient can have multiple appointments. Each appointment generate one billing record. Staff help management appointment and billing. These are the relationship, and I have mentioned ERD diagram as well, integrated relationship diagram. And from the tax flow, I have created crude diagram. Crude means create, read, update and delete. It shows what actions user can be do with each part of the system. For example, staff can create, read, update and delete appointments and billing information. For the doctor, he also can create, read, update and delete the appointments information. This this is my intuitive patient doctor appointment prescription billing insurance and staff, and then this all the crew diagram for the healthy life clinic health management system. In the in the tax 5, so I made a website prototype with 3 layers. The front end use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the user interface. The backend handles server logic using Node Python, or Java. The data safely store all clinic and patient information. And this is my health management system, Healthy Life Clinic. Prepare a prototype of website design, and then I have assumed technological architecture like front-end layer, back-end layer, and database layer. In the content of task 6, in the task 6, I have focused on the security and ethics. We must protect patient data by following rules like HIPAA and GDPR. We use encryption, strong password, and access control. Patient must give permission before we use their data. Staff need like staff need training to handle data safely. Using patient information ethically is very important. From the concern important address consumer the information security, there is a data protection law compliance and user privacy and constant the either we have data encryption, authentication, and authorization. So incident response and data breach protocols, these are the ethical concern. So I have mentioned all the things. As in our conclusion, uh, the health management system will significantly improve efficiency, patient care, and legal compliance. It's essential to ensure security, privacy, and ethical standards are prioritized in the system design and uses. By the healthcare service by implementing strong technical architecture, strong security mechanism, and ethical forms. As we can see the references for the health management system, this is my final presentation of the health management system at Healthy Life Clinic. Thank you, Amar sir. That's much for today. Thank you.